Welcome back to Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears, the podcast where mechanics, makers, and tool lovers come together to talk shop. Today, we're talking about one of those small upgrades that make a big difference in the shop, and even outside of it. I'm talking about Olsa Tools heat shrink handle covers. Now, these things are slick. Each set comes with 4 sleeves, 15, 20, 25, and 30 millimeters in diameter, made to fit a wide range of tools. They're 140 millimeters long, pre-cut, and get this. When you apply heat, they shrink to half their size, giving you a tight, form-fitting grip. But this isn't your average heat shrink. These are built for real-world work. The matte finish and hex-textured pattern give you a tacky, non-slip surface that seriously improves your grip, even if your hands are oily, greasy, or you're out in the heat sweating bullets. Plus, they come in 4 bold colors: red, blue, green, and black. So you can color code your tools for fast access or just add a little personality to your kit. Here's how easy it is to use these. All you need is a heat gun, or even a strong hairdryer. Just pick the size that fits your tool handle, slide it on, and hit it with heat. Watch it shrink and grip your tool like it was made for it. It's satisfying, looks clean, and more importantly, it feels great in your hand. Now, let me show you something fun. I've got a bike handlebar right here. I wanted a little more grip on one side and figured, hey, why not throw a red Olsa heat shrink on it? Slide it on, make sure it's lined up where you want it. Now take your heat gun and start working your way around evenly. Boom, that's it. A clean, grippy, professional grade finish in under a minute. I've used these on ratchets, pliers, hammers, and now even my bike. It's one of those upgrades that just feels good every time you pick up the tool. So whether you're in the shop, in the garage, or fixing things around the house, Olsa Tools heat shrink handle covers are a simple way to step up your grip, customize your tools, and bring some order to the chaos of your toolbox. That's it for today's episode of Grease and Gears. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit us up with your favorite creative uses for these shrink sleeves. Until next time, keep it cool and greasy.